Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sirisha Kumari from 4B. Today I am going to do some science experiments on the topic air pressure. Let's get started. For the first experiment, we need a piece of cardboard, a glass of water and a tray. First, keep the glass in the tray and cover it with the cardboard. Press it gently and flip it down. Remove your hand and see the magic. The cardboard sticks to the glass and water does not fall down because the weight of the water lesser than the weight of the air pressure in the glass. For the second experiment, we need a tray, a tissue paper, some water, a empty glass and lighted candle. First, make the tissue paper wet and place it on the tray. Now, put the lighted candle on it. Now, put the empty glass upside down. Now press it.